What's going on, family members? Today I'm going to teach you key phrases for you to speak English very fluently. All right? እንግሊዝኛን አቀላጥፋችሁ ለመናገር የሚጠቅማችሁ key የሆኑ ሐረጎችን እየላችሁ ነው. I just want you to follow me. All right? The first phrase is, all right? The first in charge of. This is very common in spoken English, right? In charge of. You know the meaning of charge? Yes or no? Charge. You know the meaning of, you know the meaning of in, but the meaning is 100% different. All right? So in charge of something means responsible for. What does it mean? Responsible? For something. ለአንድ ነገር ኃላፊነት ስኑ. For example, የፕሮጀክቱ ኃላፊ ማን ነው? ማን ነው responsible? ተጠሪው ምናምን ስትይ ምን ነው? Who is in charge? Who is what? In charge of the project. Yeah? የፕሮጀክቱ ምንድን? ተጠሪ. የፕሮጀክቱ ተጠሪ ማን ነው ስትይ who is in charge of the project? አይደለም እንዴ? Who is in charge of Unique English? All right? የዩኒክ እንግሊሽ ተጠሪ ማን ነው እያልክ ኃላፊውን ለመጠየቅ ኃላፊነቱን የሚወስደውን ሰው who is in charge of? Do you understand me? Who is in charge of this school? Is that okay? Interesting. So what is in charge of means?
Responsible for.
Responsible for. For example, I can say that I'm in charge of the company. I'm in charge of the company. የካምፓኒው ተጠሪ ነኝ ኃላፊ ነኝ እያልኩ I'm in charge of the company. So to be in charge of something means to be responsible for something. All right? Is it clear? Yeah, interesting. Very good. So, other thing. አሁን ደግሞ በተጨማሪ ስንል በእንግሊዝኛ ምንድን ነው የምንለው? In addition, we can say that. We're talking about like some key prepositional phrases. On top of, basically? On top of. One of the problems in English is that you know the meaning of on, you know the meaning of top, and you know the meaning of, but the meaning is different. Yes or no? On top of, on top of means in addition. What does it mean? In addition. What does it mean? Yeah, in addition. In Amharic, what does it mean? በተጨማሪ. All right? በተጨማሪ. For example, if I say እንደዚህ ማለት ፈልግ on top of his studies, his what? Studies. ከጥናቱ በተጨማሪ he makes money. He makes money. Right? He makes money. On top of his studies, he makes money. ከማጥናቱ በተጨማሪ ከጥናቱ በተጨማሪ ገንዘብ ይሰራል ነው. Yes or no? On top of my education, I make money. Yes or no? On top of learning French,
I learn English.
Very good. On top of learning French, I learn English. Is that okay? So on top of means, what do you mean by on top of? In addition, all right? Is that okay? On top of teaching English, I also teach, psychology, which means, like in addition to, all right? Yeah, በተጨማሪ ማለት ነው. What does it mean here? በተጨማሪ. And what does it mean here? ተጠሪ. This is to mean? ተጠሪ. All right? And this is to mean? በተጨማሪ. Right? በተጨማሪ. Is that okay? Very good. Is that okay?
Sure.
የተግባባን ነው? All right. Interesting. Okay. And then how can you say እንደዚህ ለማለት ፈልጊስ? በዚህ የተነሳ ለማለት ፈልጊ ምን ነው? በዚህ የተነሳ እስቲ because of, right? Because of. Yes or no? We can also say on account of. On account of. On account of means because of. What does it mean? Because of, right? For example, on account of the heavy rain, we canceled the match. Yes or no? On account of the heavy rain, we canceled our appointment. So, on account of means በዳሽ የተነሳ በዳሽ ምክንያት በዳሽ ምክንያት ወይም በዳሽ የተነሳ that's ምን ይባላል? On account of. One of the problems is that don't try to translate word by word. You know on, you know account, you know of, right? Well, I mean, it's different. That's why I don't advise people to use Google Translation for such kind of phrases. So I just want you to try to understand dumb English. That's really much better. Okay, so on account of. For example,
I lost my money on account of you.
Yeah, I lost my money on account of you, but not really. All right? On account of the heavy rain. The heavy rain በከባድ ዝናብ የተነሳ
Cancel it.
we canceled the match. ውድድሩን ምን አልነው? match means ውድድር in this context. Yes or no? ውድድር ማለት ነው በዚህ ኮንቴክስቱ match አይደለ? So on account of the heavy rain, በከባድ ዝናብ የተነሳ we canceled the match. Yes or no?
Sure, yeah.
All right. I'm sorry, on account of the heavy rain, I couldn't call you. On account of the heavy rain, I couldn't come to school. Yes or no? So you can say on account of the heavy rain. Yes or no? The bad weather. The bad?
Weather.
On account of the bad weather?
Cancel the flight.
Yeah, I canceled the flight. Yes or no? I canceled
The flight.
the flight. Maybe you postponed the flight. Yes or no?
Sure, yeah.
So, on account of the bad weather, the airport canceled the flight. That sounds better. Yes or no?
Sure,
Yeah. So that on account of the bad weather, the airport canceled the flight or postponed the flight. Very good. So let's see. On account of means, what does it mean? Yeah, because of or በሆነ ምክንያት ስትሆን ማለት ነው. On account of you, I lost many things in my life. On account of you, I missed a lot of opportunities. Yes or no? Interesting. That's so beautiful. Do you have a question here, please?
No.
Any confusion here?
No.
Man, any confusion? Hello? Now? Are you okay?
Sure.
Are you sure? All right. Okay. Number 3. Oh, no. Number 4, right? Number 4. Is it clear, by the way?
Sure, yeah.
All right. So, what is like ካላገኘሽኝ ለምሳሌ if something if for example if it's impossible to get me እኔን ካላገኘሽኝ ደውልሽ ምን ነው የምትይኝ?
I couldn't reach you.
Yeah, very good. Or we're talking about like prepositional phrases. Out of reach, Bessie?
Out of reach.
Say it again.
Out of reach.
Out of reach. So out of reach means impossible to get. What does it mean?
Impossible.
Impossible to get. All right. I tried to call you yesterday, but you were out of reach. Yes or no? Out of reach. Therefore, like, what does it mean? Impossible?
To get.
Impossible to get. Impossible to get. I tried my best to call you yesterday, but you were out of reach. So, to be out of reach means to be impossible to get. Do you understand me?
Sure, yeah.
So, you didn't call me, but I tried to call you so many times, but you were out of reach. Say it again. ትናንትና ስልክ አይሰራም. I was out of reach yesterday. ኔትወርክ ማይሰራበት አካባቢ ከሆንሽ የነበርሽው I was out of reach. Is that okay? I was out of reach. Do you have a question here? I was out of reach for a month. That's why I couldn't call you.
Sure.
Interesting. Is that okay? Very good. Do you have a question here? So you can say you were out of reach. You were? Yeah.
You were out of reach.
Out of reach. You were out of reach yesterday. It just means like ትናንትና መገኘት አትችልም ነበር እያልሽ ነው. You were out of reach yesterday. I tried my best to call you and I don't know what happened to you, right? Interesting. Do you have a question?
No.
Any question? Okay. We have seen 4 phrases. Very important for you to speak English very fluently. So I just want you to keep following me. We have a lot of phrases. So ተከተሉ በደንብ አድርጋችሁ ማለት ነው። የደበረው ሰው ካለ እንደ አይኑን እንዲህ አድርጎ ቡና ጠጥቶ ይከታተለን። በደንብ አድርጋችሁ ተከታተሉን። አንድ ነገር ደግሞ ሲበላሽ በእንግሊዝኛ ለምሳሌ ኮምፒውተሩ ተበላሽቷል፣ ስልኩ ተበላሽቷል፣ ኤሌቬተሩ ተበላሽቷል፣ ሊፍቱ ምናምን እንላለን። ሶ ምንድነው የምንለው? out of order። በጣም ጎበዝ። out of order። አሁን ኦርደር ካያችሁት ምን ማለት ነው? ዝም ጥሬ ትርጉሙ ኦርደር ምንድነው? ማዘዝ ይሆናል። ኦርደር ቅደም ተከተል ይሆናል። ኦርደር ስርዓት ይሆናል አይደል እንዴ? ኦርደር ስርዓት ይሆናል። ኦርደር ቅደም ተከተል ይሆናል። ኦርደር ማዘዝ ይሆናል። ግን out of order ስንል አሁን ለምሳሌ ከማዘዝ ውጭ ማለት አይታዘዝሽም፣ በሌላ አባባል አይሰራም ነው በቃ። ስለዚህ what's out of order mean? What do you mean by out of order? Not working. What does it mean? Not working. Not working ማለት ነው። Not working. For example, if I tell them my computer, my what? My computer is out of order. I want you to fix it. Yes or no?
Sure.
My computer is out of order. I want you to fix it. I can give you a lot of money. All right. So like ለምን ነው ትናንት አንተ እኮ ትናንትና ስቀር ከትምህርት ቤት መደወል ነበረብህ አልሽኝ አይደል? So I can say that my phone was out of order. My phone was out of order. That's why I didn't call you. Yes or no? So ተበላሽቷል ስትሉ አይሰራም ስትሉ out of order. ለምሳሌ ለሊፍት ምን እንላለን? It's out of service እንላለን አይደል? It's out of order ማለት ይቻላል. It's okay. It's out of service. It's out of order. It's not working. So we can have a lot of vocabulary alternatives. All right? Interesting. Is it clear? So you can say that your phone is out of order. Out of order. Your phone is out of order. How can you call me? All right? በምን ትደውልልኛለህ? How can you call me? You call me. ስልክ ተበላሽቷል እንዴት ልደውልልኝ ትችላለህ? Your phone is out of order. How can you call me? I can take my father's phone. Right? Is that okay?
Sure.
Interesting. ስለዚህ out of order means ምን ማለት ነው? የማይሰራ ማለት not working የተበላሸ ማለት ነው። የተበላሸ የማይሰራ ማለት ነው። ግልጽ ነው ወይ? ግልጽ ነው? እርግጠኛ ነሽ? All right. Okay. If something is ጊዜ ያለፈበት ከሆነስ ምን እንላለን? እዛው out ሳንወጣ out ከሚለው ሳንወጣ out of date በሲ ወይም outdated ይቻላል አንድ ቃል ከሆነ እኛ ግን ፍሬዛል እያጠናን ነው out of date በሲ say it again out of date ምን ማለት out of date what do you mean by out of date በነገራችን ላይ ጥያቄ ስለምሰጣችሁ በእነዚህ መጨረሻ ላይ የትም እንዳትሄዱ ይላል ጥያቄ ይፈተናሉ ትሞላላችሁ ኦኬ out of date በሲ out of date ምንድነው ቀን ነው አይደል ቀን ዓመተ ምህረት ቀን ምናምን date ይባላል እሺ out of date በሌላ አባባል ማለት ነው በጣም ጥሩ old fashioned old what fashioned or expired or what when expired ያደረገ ማለት ነው out of date yes or no
Sure.
so can you give me examples please
yeah newspaper nowadays is out of date
አቲ ጋዜጦች አሁን ጊዜ አልፎባቸዋል ጋዜጣ ነው
በሶሻል ሚዲያ ምክንያት ያለፈባቸው
አረቴ እሺ እንት ደብዳቤ መጻፍ እንደው ልበለው ብለሽ ሮማንቲክ ሌተርስ እነዚህ ምናምን ነገር አይደለ አይደል ስለዚህ writing a letter አይደል writing a letter on paper አይደል እንዴ writing a letter on what on paper is አይ እንደው ላንዲዮ እንኳን አልጠፋም is getting out of date date ምን እያለ ነው old fashioned እየሆነ ነው እየተጋባ እየሆነ ብንል ይሻላል because there are some people who are dedicated to writing a letter right on paper ስለዚህ ጊዜው ያለፈበት ስትሉ ምን እንደምትሉት out of date ነው የምትሉት your philosophy is out of date ብልሻው ምን እያልኩ ነው ፍልስፍናሽ ጊዜው አልፎበታል ማለት ነው I'm sorry your philosophy of life is out of date I want you to change your mindset is that okay So to be out of date means to be old fashioned or to be expired. Is that okay? All right, በጣም ጥሩ. For example, አንድ ነገር ደግሞ የሆነ imagine that there is shop አለ store አለ. store ወይም shop አለ. አልቋል ትያለሽ. ኧረ እባክህ መጽሐፍን እያሉ አሁን የኛ አልቋል እየታተመ ነው ሁለተኛ ለምሳሌ መጽሐፉ እና አልቋል አሁን ስቶር ውስጥ የለም ስል ምንድነው የምለው? Out of stock. Right? Yeah, loyalty is amazing. Out of stock. Say, speak up. Out of stock. Say out of stock.
out of stock
For example, this phone is out of stock. ካልኩኝ ምን እያልኩ ነው? አይገኝም ገበያ ላይ አይገኝም አልቋል እያልኩ ነው ማለት ነው. So which means what do you mean by out of stock? Not available. What does it mean? Not available in the store. In a store man. የሆነ ስቶር ውስጥ ሱቅ ውስጥ ከሌለ ገበያ ላይ ከጠፋ it's out of stock ነው የምንለው ማለት ነው. So እንደዚህ አይነት ስልክ ፈልጌ ነበር I need to have this Ultra 25 or Ultra 24 or 23 ብልሽ I'm sorry it's out of stock say again
I'm sorry it is out of stock
I'm sorry it is out of stock ይቅርታ ገበያ ላይ የለም አልቋል መካዝኑ ምናምን ነገር it's out of stock ከጨረሳችሁ መካዝናችሁ ላይ it's out of stock ነው የምትሉት ማለት ነው say again
out of stock
Okay, can I get a book? I'm sorry, it's out of stock.
It is out of stock
Yeah, to be out of stock means
not available
no, okay, not available in a store. Is it clear?
sure
ገብቷል friend?
Yes.
አንተ ያውቀህ ነው yes የምትለኝ right? እሺ እርግጠኛ ነህ? እሺ So, number 8. ለማወቅ ባለ ጉጉት የተነሳ ስትይ እንደምትዩ
Curiosity.
out of curiosity በሲ out of curiosity
Out of curiosity.
ግን እብድ ይመስላል ይሄ out of
Curiosity.
ግን ዝም ብሎ ሰው ሲተረጉሙ ምን ብሎ ሊተረጉሙ ይችላል ላለማወቅ ከመፈለግ አይነት ነገር አይደል
Carelessness.
እንደዛ ይመስላል እንጂ ምን ማለት ነው ለማወቅ ከመጓጓት ማለት ነው እስቲ እየጠየቅኩ ያለሁት እኮ ለማወቅ ከመጓጓት ነው በእንግሊዝ
I'm asking you out of curiosity.
I'm asking you out of curiosity. Say it again. I'm asking you.
Out of curiosity.
I'm asking you out of curiosity. It means just because of interest. No?
Yeah.
Just because of what?
Interest.
Just because of ከፍላጎት የሆነ አንድ ነገር ስታረጊ ለምሳሌ I'm asking you these questions out of curiosity. Please don't blame me. All right? ለምን አንቺ ይሄን ያህል ጥያቄ የምትጠይቀኝ? I'm asking you out of curiosity. ከፍላጎት ነው ለማወቅ ካለ ፍላጎት ነው ስትሉ ስለዚህ ለማወቅ ካለ ፍላጎት ስትሉ out of curiosity ነው የምትሉት for example I'm asking questions out of curiosity I love to ask questions out of curiosity children love to ask questions out of curiosity yes or no for example what can I say children basically children love to ask questions ጥያቄ ህፃናት ይወዳሉ አይደል children love to ask questions out of curiosity questions out of curiosity ህፃናት ጥያቄ የሚጠይቁት ለማወቅ ከመፈለጋቸው ነው ማለት ነው is it clear yeah ለምሳሌ የሆነ ሰው ሊወቅሽ ቢፈልግ why are you asking so many questions ቢልሽ I am asking you so many questions out of curiosity የተጋባ ነው yeah that's really nice and then do you have a question here no question here okay number 9 is look አሁን ደግሞ በቅናት ምክንያት በቅናት ተነሳስቶ ስለምደው ነው out of jealous or jealousy yeah out of jealousy yes no out of jealousy yeah out of jealousy አሁን ይኸውላችሁ you know the difference between jealous and jealousy jealousy ቀናተኛ ነው you are jealous of my success ቢልሽ አንድ ሰው በስኬት የተቀናለህ ነው አይደል jealousy ቅናት ነው jealous ደግሞ ስትሉ ምን ማለት ነው jealous ቀናተኛ no it's an adjective right do you understand me yeah you have to know the differences this jealous is an adjective okay which means ቀናተኛ okay jealous ብለን of ነው የምንጠቀመው jealous of ነው የሚባለው እሺ jealousy ደግሞ ቅናት out of jealousy ማለት ከቅናት ነፃ ማለት ሳይሆን out ማለት ውጪ ነው ከቅናት ውጪ ማለት አይደለም out of jealousy ማለት በቅናት የተነሳ yes or no for example እንደዚህ ብትይ ማለት ነው በቅናት የተነሳ እንደዚህ ያደረገ በቅናት የተነሳ እንዲሆነ ምናምን ነገር ስትይ እስቲ ንገሪኝ እስቲ
she insulted me out of jealousy
very good she insulted me out of jealousy she insulted me out of jealousy all right እየተጋባን ነው አይደል ለምሳሌ ሮሜና ጁሊየት አለ አይደል he killed her out of jealousy አይደል እንዴ የገደላት በቅናት ተነሳስቶ ነው ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ነው በቅናት ተነሳስቶ በቅናት ምክንያት ስትሩ because of jealousy ማለት what do you mean by out of jealousy because of jealousy ማለት ነው በቅናት ተነሳስቶ ስትሩ out of jealousy don't do things out of jealousy ነገሮችን ከቅናት ተነሳስተ አታድርግ ይላል አታድርግ ማለት you are always doing things out of jealousy this is what I hate from you is that okay okay interesting any question you have how many phrases did we see so far 9 phrases very beautiful for your conversational English to level up so I have other phrases ትንሽ አሉ I will give you and finally I will ask you some 5-6 questions and then we conclude the lesson is that okay start with me አሁን ደግሞ ምን ሚል በትነግረኛለሽ መሰለሽ ከቴክኖሎጂ ጋር ርቅ ያለሁ አልገናኝም ስትይ ምን እንደምትይ
out of touch with technology
very good ስለዚህ ምን እንላለን out of ብርሲ out of touch with technology ስለዚህ out of touch ማለት not connected ማለት ነው not connected with something all right for example out of touch with technology ካልሽ ከቴክኖሎጂ ርቅ ያለው I'm out of touch with technology. I'm out of touch with technology. እንደዚህ አልሰማህም እንዴ? I'm out of touch with information, social media. ከሶሻል ሚዲያ ርቅ ያለው ስትይ I'm out of touch with social media ትያለሽ ማለት። ስለዚህ to be out of touch means to be not connected ማለት ነው። የሆነ ከዛ ጋር አለመገናኘት መራቅ ማለት ነው። ከሶሻል ሚዲያ ርቅ ያለው ከፌስቡክ ርቅ ያለው ከቴሌግራም ርቅ ያለው ከቲክታክ ርቅ ያለው I'm out of touch with TikTok. ሰሪገ
I'm out of touch with TikTok.
ከቲክቶክ ርቅ ያለው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እናንተ እስቲ የራቃችሁት ነገር ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ ጻፉልኝ ማለት ነው። I'm out of touch with እያላችሁ ጻፉልኝ ወይም መራቅ የምትፈልጉት I want to be out of touch with መራቅ እፈልጋለሁ ከሆነ ነገር right? Okay, interesting. ስለዚህ to be out of touch means ምን ማለት ነው? not connected አለመገናኘት መራቅ ከሆነ ነገር ማለት ነው። is that okay? አንድ ነገር ደግሞ መፈለጉ ስትይ መፈለግ ምን ነው ብትዩ in need of basically in need of right means requiring something. What does it mean? requiring something ማለት አንድ ነገር መፈለግ ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ እርዳታህን እፈልጋለሁ ስትይ I'm in need of your support, your help, right? So ምን ትያለሽ? I'm in need of your support. ድጋፍን እፈልጋለሁ ነው። So to be in need of ስትሉ ምን ማለት ነው? To require something ማለት ነው። For example, you know, homeless people are in need of support. ምን ላለው ማለት ነው? homeless people
Are in need of shelter.
are very good in need of shelter ካልኩኝ ምን ይፈልጋሉ እያልኩ ነው። ምንድን የምን እርዳታ ይፈልጋሉ? የመጠለያ እያልኩ ነው ማለት ይፈልጋሉ። ስለዚህ to be in need of something means to require something ማለት የሆነ ነገር መፈለግ ማለት ነው። is that okay? ተጋብተን ያልገባሽ ነገር አለ እዚህ ውስጥ ያልገባሽ hey አላዛር is that something which is not clear? ያልገባህ ነገር አለ? አንቺ ያስ all right አሪፍ ነው። እርግጠኛ ነሽ? are you sure? okay አሁን ደግሞ በዳሽ ጊዜ በሆነ ጊዜ በዚህ ጊዜ ስንል ምን ነው? during እንላለን። እሺ during okay ሌላስ very good or you can say in the course of in the course of basically in the course of ማለት during ማለት ነው። ምን ማለት ነው? during በዳሽ ጊዜ በሆነ ጊዜ ስትይ in the course of ነው የምትይው ማለት ነው። all right don't talk in the course of the presentation ካልሽ በፕሬዘንቴሽኑ ጊዜ ምን አትበል ነው? አታውራ እያልሽ ነው ማለት ነው። is that okay? don't talk in the course of the lesson. don't talk in the course of ብለሽ የሆነ ነገር the meeting ካልሽ በስብሰባው ጊዜ አታውራ። ስለዚህ I don't like to talk in the course of the meeting. in the course of በስብሰባው መካከል ወይ በስብሰባ ጊዜ ምን ማለት አልፈልግም ነው። yeah I don't like to talk in the course of the meeting which means during the meeting. is that okay? ስለዚህ during means በዳሽ ጊዜ ማለት ነው አይደል እንዴ? ስለዚህ in the course of means አሁን ይኸውልሽ ለየብቻው ልትተረጉሙ ከፈለጋችሁ in በውስጥ ዘ ምናምን ኮርስ ታውቁታላችሁ። ኮርስ ትምህርት የሚሰጥ ኮርስ of እየተገባ ነው። that's the problem. አንድ ላይ ግን in the course of means during ማለት ነው። I hope it's clear. ያልገባሽ ነገር አለ? እርግጠኛ ነሽ? ያልገባሽ ነገር ካለ ጠይቂ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ how many phrases did we see so far? ስንት አየን እስካሁን? 12 ነው ያየነው አይደለ? አሁን 4-5 ጥያቄ በሰጣችሁ እስከዛ በኋላ you can check ማለት ነው your level of understanding ምን ያህል ገብቷችኋል የሚል። እናንተም ጥያቄዎችን ስሩ። ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ ስንት እንዳገኛችሁ ጻፉልኝ። እሺ እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች አሁን እኔ በተማርነው መሰረት ትመልሳላችሁ። አንዱን እሰራላችኋለሁ፣ ሶስቱን እናንተ ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ መልስ እስከ ምክንያቱ ድረስ አስቀምጡልኝ። all right the teacher is dash the English club. the teacher is dash the English club this year. okay A on top of, B in charge of, C out of order, D out of jealousy.
B in charge of.
in charge of. all right lemon why? responsible ተጠሪ ነው ለዚያ ነገር አይደለም እንዴ? ለዚህ ሴሚስተር ለእንግሊሽ ክለቡ ኃላፊ ነው ተጠሪ ነው ማለት ነው ለዚህ ሴሚስተር አስተማሪው በጣም ጥሩ ሶስተኛ አነብላችኋለሁ ሁለተኛ አራተኛ አነብላችኋለሁ መልሱ ግን ከናንተ ነው ማለት ነው My brother works full time and dash that he also takes evening classes የሚላለ A out of stock B in need of C on top of D in the course of አንዱ መልስ አስቀምጣላችሁ እስከ ትርጉሙ ድረስ ማለት ነው Okay Number 3 The flight was delayed dash heavy fog A on account of B out of reach C in charge of D in the course of right መልሱን እስከዛው እስከ ትርጉሙ ድረስ Okay Number 4 The printer is dash so we need to call the technician Okay A out of curiosity B out of order C out of reach D out of jealousy ቦታ ስለ እንትን ስላለኝ ነው አሁን እንትን ያልኩት ማለት ሁለቱ ብቻ የጻፍኩላችሁ እንደገና ላብበው The printer is dash so we need to call the technician A out of curiosity B out of order C out of jealousy D እንደገና ደግሞ out of curiosity ማለት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው እነዚህ ከአራቱ ምርጫዎች አንዱን ትመርጣላችሁ ማለት ነው ሶስቱን እስከ ምክንያት ወደ ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ ጻፉ Thank you for watching This is Unique English Basics 2 right እንግሊዝኛ በልዩነት መማር ከፈለጋችሁ ወደ Unique English ብቅ በሉ እንግሊዝኛ በማዳግም መልኩ እናስተምራለን Bye everybody